Good morning from the very, very beautiful Switzerland. I'm in the Swiss Alps. Lots of beautiful trees and my favourite, lots of lovely mountains. So I'm here for like a long weekend with kudos cycling and also Montana, which is the tourism board for this area. And the reason that I'm here is because today's Friday, tomorrow I'm doing a granfondo. It is the first year that this granfondo has taken place. I'm going to talk more later about that, but we're just basically going to go out today, do part of the course, just have a little look what the mountains are like, what the climbs are going to be like, and yes, just explore where we are. So yeah, this is Montana, which is just in the hills. It is quite high up, and yeah, you can't really see, it's a little bit misty this morning. That mist is going to lift and we're going to just get some spectacular views, spectacular climbs. So yeah, let's go introduce you to a few of the people that I'm going to be riding with today. So let's go.
So hi, I'm Guillaume and I'm a cycling coach, and I'm guiding you today on the route of the Marmotte Valley, which is happening tomorrow. And yeah, so like
Perfect.
this you can have a little taste of what
it's going to be like.
Yeah.
So this is the route for tomorrow?
Yeah, this is the route from tomorrow. So start is in Montana, where we are now, and today we will just discover by bike this part of the route, yeah, and then having lunch here, and then you will do a little van transfer and also see the last kilometers with the last climb. Who will go to Verbier, where you finish tomorrow.
Amazing, fantastic. Right, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
The sun is out and we are on a mountain. I love these mountains. And so now we're just going to do part of the course. So we've kind of looked at some of the like the first climb, which is going to be the toughest of the day, and then just had a look at the descents, and then now we're doing another part of the route. It's going to take a steady little climb and just take you along with me, really. It's so nice. It's a lot warmer than it was down there, but I mean, look at this view. Look at that. Let's get you zoomed in to enjoy the views. Oh God, I love it, absolutely love it. And then we're just getting ready now.
It's wearing,
and with
it's wearing away.
Yeah, with rain and frozen and everything.
Look how sharp they are down there, though. Wow. Ooh, it's bright. It is so bright. So we've just stopped now for lunch. I'm not going to show you a lot more of the climbs and stuff, just because I feel like I'm going to save that for the sportive, because they're the roads that we're covering. So I feel like, in fact, let me just get the view. What am I doing stood this way? Get the view in. So I'm not going to show any more of that, but we're just going to sit down and have some lunch and yeah, just enjoy the weather and the views. Famous mountains in the background. So yeah, see you in a little bit. Now I have my number. I'm gonna go and get my bag, and I think I'm gonna leave it there for today, so you can just see the whole of the route tomorrow. Well, not the whole of it, but a lot of the route tomorrow. And yeah, so I'll be posting the video on Monday at 5. So yeah, I'm gonna see the whole route. See then, I'll be doing stuff on Instagram as well. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, the link to that is below in the description box. It is Katie Kookaburra and then a number 1 after it, because someone took the Katie Kookaburra on its own. I don't know why I got so mad about that. But yeah, Cape Kookaburra 1. I'll be doing Instagram stories and posts on there, so yeah.